Hi, I'm PJ Kev, and I travel all over the world in the most luxurious style. Through my luxury travel blog and detailed targeted social media ads, we direct qualified traffic to a landing page to download the Vamos app and capture emails for my travel blog's newsletter that would ultimately always drive traffic back to download the app. Then through a series of automated emails and campaigns, we encourage consumers to use the Vamos app. Plus, we will set up a Google AdWords campaign upon your approving ad budget to make sure you are ranked on the first page and associated with important keywords that your competitors are using. Our goal is to make sure Vamos is one of the top brands when Googling luxury travel and/or luxury rentals. Click the download button below to see what your new formatted emails will look like.